Moving through. Awesome. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Come back to a flat back. Take your hands, rotate your fingers back towards the front of your mat. Your index finger is directly pointing at the top of your mat. We're going to move through what I like to call organic circles. Hi, Lisa. Do you want to come in here?
I'm going to eat a cookie and then I'm going to join you.
Okay, cool. Awesome. Awesome. There's some space in the kitchen, too. We're going to move through some organic circles. So as you're at the top of your mat, same breath movement as you were in the cat-cow. You're inhaling, you're up over, and as you exhale, you're going to rotate the hips out to the right, drop them down over your heels, and then out to the left and come all the way back up. Now move it with your breath. So as you inhale, you're at the top, exhale, and move all the way through and around. You can stay in a certain spot if it feels really good, but truly just taking that intention and dragging your hip points out and around.
I feel you, man.
I
feel you.
Go ahead and pause up at the top at the next breath and switch, jetting the hips out to the left this time. Back and around. Breathing in and breathing out. In and out. Wonderful. Do 2 more at your own pace and at your own breath. Inhale, exhale. And last one here. And pausing over the hands. Keeping your hips up nice and tall, we're going to move into a child's pose, but you're not going to come down with your bottom over your ankles. You'll keep your hips up high and just move down, bringing the chest to the ground. Take an inhale, take an exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last one, inhale and exhale. Drop the hands back towards the ears. Go ahead and rest yourself onto your elbows here and push yourself into a full child's pose now. And take notice if your knees are too tight together, spread them out, allow space for your belly to move in there. And find some movement or some action if you'd like here as well. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Wonderful. Last inhale here. Look up towards the thumbs. We're going to move back into your all fours. This time we're going to step our feet back and we're going to move into a plank pose here. Nice strong hands. If you want to keep your support, you're good. If you want to keep your support, take one leg back and alternate with the other one. Wherever you're at here, this is where we're going to build your energy in that third chakra, just inhaling and exhaling. Inhale, exhale. Good, breathing. Inhale, exhale, push back into downward facing dog. Rotate your feet here, walk the dog if you will. Bend one leg, bend the other leg. Nice breath in, nice breath out. We're going to come into a standing pose here. So we're going to slowly walk the feet up towards the hands. Keep your legs bent here and allow your torso to really rest on your thighs here, letting yourself hang. Inhale, exhale. Excellent. Inhale. Exhale. Really bending your knees and allowing yourself to rest on your own support. Awesome. We're going to slowly roll up. Take a deep breath. Bend the knees. Bring the arms up. Hands come to heart center on the exhale. And release down to your sides. Awesome. We're going to work our way back down. So inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, reverse swan dive down. Bend the knees here. Keep them bent. Halfway lift onto the fingertips. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Step both feet back. Coming into that plank pose. Squeeze your elbows alongside your rib cage as you lower yourself all the way down to the ground. Tops of the feet are going to go onto the mat. Hands by the shoulders, lift up, baby cobra here. Inhale. Exhale. Wonderful. Come all the way back down. Use your knees to assist here or push yourself back up into your plank pose. Take an inhale. Exhale to downward facing dog. Awesome. Left foot's gonna go up towards the sky. Point the toe as high as you can towards the ceiling. Really opening up the hips here. Keep your shoulders square to the front of your mat. Beautiful. And tap that left foot back as if you were going to touch somebody behind you, truly opening up those hips even more. Inhale, exhale. Last one, inhale. Exhale, lengthen the leg and meet right back down to the right. Taking the right leg up, inhale here. Point the toe as high as you can. And then allowing that right foot to drop back behind you, opening up the hip. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Great. Extend the right leg. Both feet meet at the bottom of your mat. Take to your knees here. And take your knees as wide as your mat. And come all the way down into a nice child's pose. Take your arms from in front of you and place them back behind you. Deep breath in, deep breath out. You can rest them on your back or you can just rest them on the floor, whichever is easiest. Great job. One more breath here. And return the hands underneath the shoulders, pushing yourself up. So you're going to be sitting on your knees now. Awesome. Take your hands, bring them to your sides. You're going to push your fingertips towards the floor, really grounding and pushing your shoulder blades down towards the earth. Lift the chin up. Take an inhale here. You're only here for just a little bit. One more inhale. And exhale. We're going to move and come to where we're upright here. Bring your arms all the way up. Inhale. Exhale, hands to heart center. Right hand goes onto your right thigh. Left hand's going to go up in the air. Awesome. Slowly walk the fingertips down towards your right foot. Keep your chest pointed up towards the ceiling here. Don't cave in. Great. Come all the way back up. Meet the right hand up to the left. Left hand's going to come down. Walk the fingertips down. Again, point the chest up towards the sky here. Inhale, exhale. And come back up. And hands come down to heart center. And find yourself back on the mat. Perfect. We're going to rotate the feet out from underneath us. So, did you enjoy the view?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. As we sit here, we're just going to move through some little stretches. What I'd like to do, though, is in order to get you prepared for them, we're going to take the right foot, take it out in front of you. Left foot's going to come close to the body. Take your right hand onto the outside of your right knee and take the left hand up into the air. Take your right hand and slowly just slide it for as far as you'd like to come here. As you come, remember to keep your chest pointed up. We want to keep it from concaving down. Inhale, exhale. Point your toes up. Nice. Inhale, exhale. And slowly slide that right hand back towards the right knee. You're going to turn your whole body and you want your chest to go towards your knee here. So hands are going to go on the right and left side of your knee. As you come down, lead with your chest. Extending the chin out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last one here, in and out. Go ahead and push yourself back up. Here's where we'll come into the twist. You're going to take the foot that's out in front of you. We're going to just bring it onto the opposite side of your left knee. If that doesn't work for you, kick your left foot out and just take your right knee over. Awesome. Hands gonna go up into the air, right hand's right behind the bottom, left elbow's gonna go just past the knee, turn and twist, keep that chest up nice and high. Keep some space in between your chin and your chest here too. Beautiful. Inhale, exhale. You're ready. You're ready. Inhale. And exhale. Great. Unwind yourself. Before releasing the legs, I want you to take your right foot on top of your knee. You're going to take your hands out in front of you again here. Again here, we want to have that long spine, and we want to lead with our chest as we come down. So fingertips are going to walk yourself out. Keep your chin up. Keep your chest up. Inhale, exhale. Beautiful. Inhale, exhale. Remember where it's tight to breathe into that spot. Now drop your chin down. Let your neck hang here. Awesome. Go ahead and walk yourself back up. Oh, hi there. I didn't know what we were doing. We're going to switch legs now. So left leg's going to come out. Right foot's going to come close to the body here. Left hand's going to go onto the outside of your left knee. We're going to do the sliding action here. So right hand goes up into the air. Slide your left hand down towards your foot. Keep your toe nice and pointed up. Keep your chest pointed up as well. Beautiful. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. In and out. Slide the left hand back up, bringing yourself back up. Twist your chest towards your knee. Again, hands are on both sides of the knee here, and we're going to lead with our chest. So coming out with your chin, toes point up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Beautiful. And last inhale here. Exhale, come all the way up. We're going to wrap your left foot over your right knee. So left foot's going to go on the opposite side. Same thing, your left hand will go right back behind you. Right hand comes up. And the right hand comes up. Right elbow goes onto your left knee. There you go. You got it. That's it. Chin up, chest up. Beautiful. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Beautiful. Slowly release. Taking that left foot, bring it on top of your right knee again here. Same thing with that long spine that Selena has been talking about. When you come down, lead with your chest. No, I'll turn this way so we're not going into each other. Lead with your chest. Take your chin out. Inhale, exhale here. Inhale, exhale, coming into your mind, into your thoughts. Drop the head down, let it hang. Inhale, exhale. Beautiful. Last breath in here. And exhale, walk yourself back up. We're slowly going to move onto our backs here. And we're going to start out in your boat pose, so your feet are going to come out in front of you. Oh, you're just playing with the baby.
No, I was stretching. We just released the positions. I was like, hey. Are you trying to lead?
We're going to take the feet up. Different variations here. If you want to keep your hands down here just for some support, you can leave them there. Otherwise, you can bring your feet up. Point the heels out. Toes go up. Hands are going to go out to the sides here. Or rest where you choose. Hold it nice and tight. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Bring the feet back to the earth. We're going to do it one more time, but before we lay down, I wanted to make sure everybody could lay down. I didn't want y'all to hit your heads on the couch. But so from the transition to the ground here, we'll be in boat and then slowly come all the way back down to the earth. Okay. So when everybody's ready, hands go out to the sides or onto the earth, wherever you choose. Feet go up, push your heels out, toes go high. Inhale, exhale. Try to smile. Inhale, exhale. Beautiful. And slowly go down or just go quickly, whichever you want. Awesome. Go ahead and take a break at this point here. Take a breath in, take a breath out. You can take your knees and we're going to bend them and bring your feet onto the ground, do some twists. So you're going to turn your knees over to the left, turn your face to the right. Oh, here's another one too. Take a nice long deep breath and then you're going to transition when you're ready.
Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah.
Moving over to the opposite side. If you're not there yet, go ahead and twist over to the opposite side. Awesome. Come back to the center when you're ready and hug your knees into your chest, giving yourself a nice hug. At this time, I invite you to do any other stretch or pose that you would like to before we conclude our practice and move into your meditation. So please take a moment for a happy baby, shoulder stand, whichever you like.
I was about to say, I'm going to pop up into my headstand.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Do it.
Good girl.
And then we lay down. You'll lay on your side. Yeah, you'll lay on your side and put your head on here. And you can put the blankets in between your legs if you like. It's just, you're not supposed to lie flat when you're pregnant. Okay. It'll block your circulation to the fetus, so as a tidbit for when you progress in your cycle.
I don't know that either.
Yeah. I am going to go through and make some adjustments with you guys. If you don't want me to touch you or do any adjustments, just put your hands on your belly when the time comes. Alright, so go ahead and get nice and comfortable. If you have a blanket, you can put it over you if you'd like. You can use it as a pillow. Oops, sorry, sweetie. I'm going to turn the music off just so we can truly try to focus and relax. Although some people like the music, so whichever. So as we prepare our minds to go through a nice relaxing meditation, I want you to take a deep breath starting at your toes. And as you build in that inhale, bring it all the way up to your crown. And as you exhale, take your breath all the way back down to your toes. Breathing in and breathing out, focusing on where you are in this current state and thinking about where you'd like to be. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Truly just focusing the mind on your breath.
I'm so happy to hear that.
Not my fault.
Yeah, it's like, I'm gonna make this.
Yeah.
Then people can just walk around.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
You're good.
Just put your palms up. Just back your arms.
Do you want me to
Just
Lovely. Okay, I think I got a chance to touch on everybody. So as we lay here, I'll go ahead and walk you through the meditation. So we'll start in our toes. As you lay here, bring your focused, conscious awareness to just relaxing your toes. Starting at the tops of the feet and the bottoms. Relaxing the bridge of the foot, the ankle and the heel. Soften the backs of your legs and the fronts of your shins. Relax your knees, let there be space between and space behind. Softening your upper legs, the strong quadriceps and hamstrings. Relaxing the glutes, the base of your tailbone, just consciously saying relax. Relax the front of your belly, your low belly. And as you lay here, allow your spine to unfurl and lay flat on the floor. The muscles that are holding the spine together expanding and relaxing outside and allowing the spine to relax and soften. Releasing in your hips, your belly button, your upper abdomen, the whole back side of your torso. Soften the heart, relax the shoulders. Soften your arms, your biceps and your triceps, the eye of the elbow, your forearms, your wrists, your palms and your fingertips. Open the front of your throat. Soften the back of your neck. Drop the tongue away from the roof of your mouth and allow your teeth to part. Soften your lips, soften your chin. Soften your cheeks and your nose. Relax your eyes. The gaze is down and across. Soften your eyebrows and the space in between. The whole backside of your head, simply letting go. As you reach the top of your head, allow your mind to slip back for a moment. allowing the mind to have the space, slowly bringing it in. Allow your mind to see and to see clearly. Allow your voice to be heard and to be listened. Open your heart, allowing love in and letting love out. Moving into your upper abdomen, your fire chakra. Is your fire burning bright or is it burning softly? Is it barely staying alive? Notice it. And just below your belly button, what's your water like? Is it placid and smooth and glassy? Or your water's raging? Just notice. Moving to your tailbone and your legs and your feet. How are your roots and how deep? Just notice. Wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers, breathing some energy and life back into the body. When you're ready, find yourself on your right side. Finishing in that fetal position. Use your arm to support your head. And as you lay here, I want you to focus on the breath in and then focus on the breath out. Think about what the breath in serves you and what the breath out serves as well. Breathing in a sense of self-love, a sense of gratitude, and exhaling what you consider negative in your life. Just breathing in, breathing out. Keeping your eyes closed, you can slowly push yourself to a seated position. You can give yourself a nice neck roll here if you would like. Thanking yourself and your body for your practice. Go ahead and end where your chin is towards your chest, hands come into your heart center. Take a breath in and out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Now take your hands, have your palms facing away from your heart, put your hands right in front of your chest. As we take an inhale and an exhale, we're going to push open your space and create your space for you. So as you inhale, extend the hands out straight in front of you. And exhale, wrap them all the way out to the sides, going as far back as you can reach. Just creating your space, creating your bubble for you. Take the hands back into your heart center. And as we close, the light in me truly and honors and respects the light in each one of you ladies. As you move through the rest of your weekend, I hope that you can find a place of peace and balance. Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste. That was fabulous.
Thank you.
Everybody did wonderful.
Just see what's going to happen since it is here.
and there goes that.